Howdy folks. Alright, so now we are going to be putting in, well, we're going to be drilling some holes through the stock and barrel tenon, and then tapping in the pins. And what you need for that is, when you get it all situated and ready, you want it to get clamped down nice and tight. You want to measure from the muzzle all the way back to where the tenon is, and then to where this tenon is. So you get your length measurement, and then from the top of the barrel to the center of the tenon, you want to get that measurement for both of those. And it was exactly an inch from the top of the barrel to the center of the tenon for the vertical measurement. And then the length measurement was 33 millimeters from the tip of the muzzle to the center of this one, and then from the tip of the muzzle to the center of this one was 62, like 62.3 millimeters, somewhere around there. It was close. But anyways, before you drill the holes, just take a punch, and where you marked it, just kind of give it a little indent for the drill bit. And you're going to need, especially, you're going to need a number 32 drill bit for this. But here goes nothing. And try and stay level as best you can. And start slow. You'll feel it hit that barrel tenon. Let me turn up the power here a little bit. Might take a while because it's going through a pretty thick piece of metal. But you get the idea. Let me just stop the video here. I'm going to double check, just make sure I'm not drilling into the barrel. That's something you want to do. Don't be forcing it. Drill a little bit, take your time. Take the barrel off, do it again. Just make sure you're not going through the darn barrel. So, alright guys, like and subscribe, and I'll be back for part 2 of this. Just want to double check I'm not going through the barrel. Alright, later.